Welcome back to project-based learning activities. We enjoyed watching a short story, Moon and the Cap. Now we are going to make our own stick puppet. We are giving you a moon cutout, a cap and a popsicle. Now let us paste the cap on the moon just as in the story. So use Fevigum to paste the cap. Like this. And next, let us use Fevicol and paste the stick behind the moon. Let it dry for some time. So I've pasted the stick. So I would like to draw a smiling face and eyes. So you can decorate your moon or just live as it is. So yes, my hand puppet is ready. Hope you enjoyed this activity. Please do this activity and don't forget to share your pics. Bye bye kids.